Hey guys, I want to show you how to use link in bio to build a mini landing page, and I'm going to show you about 15 examples of what is possible, and maybe it'll inspire you. So let's take a look, and I have them all set up. So take a look. So this is talk to. I'm just going to go through them real quick. Okay, let me go back, and I'll do it one more time. Talk to McDonald's, Mr. Beast, Honest Company, KKW, Random, Shopify, Ben Mala, Pepsi, Walmart, Boeing, Bugatti, T-Mobile, Amazon, Target, Anchor, and an example of a Instagram shoppable feed. So these posts right here have been imported from Instagram, and these posts link to the product so you can actually buy them. And this is great for Etsy users, Shopify users, or if you use like WooCommerce. So anyways, these are some examples of mini landing pages. You can create all of them for free using link in bio. And I think in the next video, I could show you actually how to build these. But for now, you can explore link in bio and explore my channel because I do a ton of tutorials and demos. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy those demos.